Right, I probably should have picked a better time to do this video, because vacuuming, but this arrived literally 2 minutes ago and I'm very excited. It's the AUKEY 88-key mechanical keyboard, which was $24.75 including handling and shipping. This is the cheapest actual mechanical keyboard on Amazon, so let's give this a go. None of that crappy mechanical feel business. So let's have a look what's inside. Now, I'm not expecting much, seeing as, like I said, I didn't pay very much for this, but oh, that's a rather nice key switch. Oops, there it is. These keys, I believe, are based on Cherry MX Blue switches, which I will take the keycaps off in a second and have a look. So we just got the standard books and some nice polystyrene. I like the simplistic packaging, I have to say. So here we have it. It's I have to say it's very solid. It's quite heavy. There's no deck flex at all. Over to the side, and as you can hear, they're very nice clicky switches. No number pad, unfortunately, so that could be an issue to some people. I'm not sure how any of you feel about it, but for $24.75, like I said, you can't really go wrong. So let's take off a keycap. In fact, no, I'll post a picture on my Instagram. So basically, this was the unboxing of the cheapest mechanical keyboard on Amazon. So it's got good, it's metal, not this obviously, but the underneath is metal. It feels very nice. The keys are nice and clicky. They've got a good angle to them as well, so it's comfortable for typing. Might need a pad underneath that to be able to type well, but until then, goodbye.